Hello everyone, Pure Chaos Edition here. Happy Friday. There's a lie that hangs around people like us. It whispers, you're not that bad. Not yet. Not compared to that guy or the stories you've heard. Not compared to the version of rock bottom that you've created in your head, like some kind of movie scene. So, you keep going. Because if you're not that bad, you're fine, right? But addiction doesn't show up like a car crash. It shows up like a slow leak. It's the drink you didn't question, the one that turned into two, the habit that quietly became a need. And the scariest part is that we adapt to it. We start to adjust our lives so that it feels normal to us. Like, this is just who we are now. You laugh it off, you function, you show up to work, and you handle your responsibilities. And on paper, you look fine. But there's that quiet moment, usually at night, when things slow down. And it hits you, that little voice that doesn't panic, doesn't yell, it just sits there and says something's off. Not broken, not destroyed, just off. And that's the place that nobody talks about enough. Because you don't need to hit rock bottom to change. You just need to be honest about it for 5 seconds. Where you stop comparing, stop justifying, and stop bargaining. And just admit, this isn't working for me anymore. That's it. Not forever. Not some big dramatic promise. Just right now. Because recovery doesn't start when everything falls apart. It starts when you notice that crack and decide not to ignore it this time. And yeah, that decision is uncomfortable. It messes with your routine, your identity, even your social life. But here's the trade. You give up what's numbing you and you get yourself back. Not the perfect version, the real one. The one that doesn't need to escape every night. The one that can sit in silence without feeling the need to reach for something. The one that actually feels stuff again, even the messy ones. Especially the messy ones. Because that's where life is. Not in the blur, not in the numb, right there in the middle of it. Clear, raw, and yours. So if you're in that in-between space, not that bad, but not really okay, maybe that's your moment. Not rock bottom, but just awareness. And honestly, that might be the strongest place you can start.